This is the Buk M1, a medium-range surface-to-air missile system that comes from Russia. On Wednesday, Russia's defence ministry released this footage showing the system being deployed alongside an anti-tank gun and a D-30 howitzer in what they've said is in the zone of a so-called special military operation in the Donetsk district in Ukraine. Russia reportedly produces nearly 3 million munitions a year to arm their artillery, firing around 10,000 shells a day, compared to 2,000 from Ukraine. It's an advantage President Vladimir Putin is determined to keep. Speaking to international news agencies in St. Petersburg on Wednesday, he said that it would mark a dangerous step for Western nations to allow Ukraine to use their weapons to strike targets inside Russia.
If they consider it possible to deliver such weapons to the combat zone, to launch strikes on our territory and create problems for us, why don't we have the right to supply such weapons of the same type to some regions of the world where they can be used to launch strikes on sensitive facilities of the countries that do it to Russia?
He spoke particularly of Germany, who recently joined the United States in allowing Ukraine to use the long-range weapons that they are supplying to Kiev on Russian targets, which, according to Putin, would completely destroy their international relations and undermine international security.